I'm gonna import them to this one. And now you first of all you drag your video here, and here if I play the video, this video has no sound, and you can see that this video is a royalty free smooth video. But if you want to do some zoom in and out effect and some other, like you want to slide it here, so how can you do that with the help of a keyframe? So just stay on your video, and here you can see the position and size. Click on the first diamond button here, and you can see that there is a keyframe added, and go to end of this one and add another keyframe. So now we have two keyframes, but video is same. So at this place, if I play, I want to zoom her laptop a little bit closer. So what I can do, just no need to click on the these keyframes again. You just rescale this video like this one, and you can also give the value here, for example 200%, and now I can drag it to the position I want. And now at this place I want it a little bit more, maybe 180 zoom, and that's it. Like here it's 180. And now I move my cursor here, and you can see I can bring it to this position. And here you can add a picture as well. For example, I want to add a picture here, and my picture stays here, and now I just make it a little bit bigger like that. And here this video I want to bring it to this position, and now I just bring this one to that position here, rescale and bring it to this one, and I give a keyframe to my picture as well. And at this place and another one at this place I want to give a keyframe, and at this place I want my picture as well to go this side, and I want this video to go this side. So now I can drag my picture up to the timeline here, and I can move my picture here, and I can bring to this place, and there is an automatic keyframe as you can see. And I'm gonna give another keyframe to this place as well. And right now I can move this one to another side, like okay, I'm just pushing it away, and here I give another keyframe and move my picture to this side all the way up to this side. And here at the same place I want to give the keyframe to this video to all the way here, or maybe I want to rescale this one and I bring it back to this side, right? So I can bring it to this side and rescale this one, maybe 200, like okay, bring it here, and boom. So if I go back and play, my video is zoomed in, then it started like moving with my picture, and as you can see that my picture is also moving, and now it moved back to the left side. So this is just to explain. You can also do some effects and transitions, and if you don't want this part, you can just simply go to this part, and then my picture will disappear here, and then the lady will come. So now you can add music to your timeline here. For example, this is music. If you see this one, I can give one keyframe, and what keyframe basically do here in the music section, you can give different keyframes, and once you give different keyframes, I will show you how can you deal with those things. So you can increase like boost and fade in, fade out, and you can increase the volume. As I'm increasing from this keyframe, you can increase, for example, wherever your breath, or you want to do some changes wherever your breath is too loud, you can want to bring your volume up, and here you want to bring your volume down. So you can easily do with the help of these keyframes, up, down, up and down, as you can see. And that's it. You can do a lot of things with CapCut keyframing. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like, thumbs up and subscribe. And I have another tutorial about the CapCut keyframing. You can watch that one as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.